Greetings from Shib Kai once again, everyone. The CEO of Google affirms Shiba Inu burn. Prepare to never work again. Ship news on Monday at SXSW, just hours after the failure of Silicon Valley banks threatened the survival of the majority of internet firms. Hundreds of festival attendees poured into a Zen escape, a virtual landscape featuring wind-tossed bamboo and cherry trees, and an iconic Wagmi temple, a tribute to the Japanese hunting dog breed Shiba Inu, inspired by the cryptocurrency catchphrase, "We're all going to make it." It provided a break from collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse into the metaverse that Shib token developers are creating. We'll discuss about the Google CEO confirming Shiba Inu burn in this video. Get ready to never work again. Breaking news. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to get our most recent expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. Decentralized cryptocurrency bank runs like the one from last Friday are unavoidable. With his video camera turned off, Shoshi Kusama, the enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, who goes only by his alias and an avatar of a hooded figure wearing a long cloak, tells Fast Company over Google Meet. He refuses to talk out and instead types into a chatbot. He observes that banks have fractional reserves and that more people are choosing to diversify as a result. When the 5% global adoption rate rises, more people become aware of us and ask, "What's this SHIB thing?" After realizing how amazing we are. Not that some folks aren't aware of this already. Although Web3 advocates remain a specialized segment of the Twitter community, SHIB may have the most devoted cult-like following among crypto-deans. The token was invented as a joke 2.5 years ago with the intention of raising a dogecoin killer in order to surpass the competing meme-based token, Dogecoin. Its devoted supporters, referred to as the Army, were extremely serious. With nothing more than a social media uprising, they together propelled Shiba Inu into a $44 billion market valuation at one point, placing it in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Over time, the world has grown with the introduction of 10,000 Shoshi NFTs, or pixelated SHIB figures with various accessories like a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth or a pirate hat. Shibaswap is a decentralized exchange platform. Crypto influencer Elon Musk and Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin also gave Shigu shoutouts. Next, a collaboration with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. Moreover, what started out as slee trolling by the meme community has amassed 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency Twitter. These users are among the loudest on the network and are quick to jump on breaking news, using hashtags like #ShibarmiStrong and #HailShip to promise to launch SHIB to the moon in 2022. It was the third cryptocurrency in the world to be found on Google. With the launch of its Layer 2 blockchain, Sharum, and a new set of tokens last week, it's making its largest leap to date. In preparation for a flagship metaverse, Shib, the metaverse which will open with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. Shib wants to use it to transcend beyond being a meme currency. The strange folklore of Shiba Inu contributes to its appeal. Roshi, the company's creator, was likewise cloaked in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet this summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped Discord avatar has vanished forever. He did not, however, disappear. Shoshi joined the plan that Roshi had left behind when the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, but before Musk's tweets caused its age to rise, and he has followed along ever since. The financing of the SHIB are likewise unknown. Shoshi claims that while money from Shoshi NFT sales is used elsewhere, sales of metaverse land plots support the development of the metaverse. The group is still debating whether to retain a portion of the tokens or what leash and bones tokenomics will be. They refuse to say if they receive a portion of the transaction fees collected by Shibaswap. They haven't secured venture funding. However, SHIB takes great pride in its community, a term that appears frequently in blog entries, tweets, and magazine articles. Fast Company is informed by Marcy Gastro, principal advisor for SHIB Metaverse, that SHIB Army input is being taken into account even as they map out the metaverse. The group employed a company to build it with Unreal Engine software, but they lack a creative director. They start by creating concept art and black and white sketches, post the drafts to a blog, and monitor social media for feedback before repeatedly adjusting the coloring and rendering in 3 dimensions. The Wagmi Temple, the first of 11 future zones, is a pristine fantasy land with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. The network even reaches out to other metaverses such as the Sandbox, Decentraland, and Yuga Labs' other side. Usually viewed as rivalry, Gastro maintains that the pioneers need to unite in order to create the metaverse, a new and revolutionary realm. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. Everyone's victory was what we desired. We merely needed the headset to function. It may come out as overly amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. Gastro is correct, though, because every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living in a Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2. What works for one may work for all. Though Mark Zuckerberg threw his company's reputation on the line with the metaverse division posting a $13.3 billion loss in 2022, Meta is now more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse. This is in contrast to Zuckerberg's fervent campaigning for Horizon Worlds. Despite being the clear leader in the field, Decentraland only has 8,000 active users every day. Furthermore, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar at the end of last year. A number of metaverse coins have experienced an 80% decline. Shib now has a $6 billion total market capitalization with 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00000001. As previously suggested, if the token were to increase in value to $1 per token, this would imply an astounding implicit valuation of $589 trillion, far exceeding even the gross domestic product of the world. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements are making headlines. Shiba Inu has experienced a spike in demand among investors due to its high return potential. The community of Shiba Inu owners and traders keeps growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor will understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. However, given its current low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this unique cryptocurrency powered by millennials. At the time of writing, Shib, the token that powers Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, had surged 15% to trade at $0.0000000120. Early in March, the price of the Shib returned to a crucial descending trendline support, suggesting that the trend was about to shift north. Before the trendline coinciding pullback to 0.00000001, the Shib had broken out in January and had risen 96% to a new yearly high of 0.000000011576 by early February. Even with the double-digit gain over the past day, investors need to ensure a few things before they can declare a new bull market. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is currently selling at $0.0000001120. Shiba Inu's trading volume surged by 30% to $321 million in the last day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price move in the next several days. Nevertheless, price movement below 0.126 is currently limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. To maintain the breakout from the declining trend line, Shib needs to break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators, such as the moving average convergence-divergence, indicate a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. The breakdown of Silicon Valley Bank caused Shiba Inu and the rest of the market to be dumped, and on the daily timeframe chart, the MACD flashed a buy signal. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time it is staying above the mean line. particularly during this week's rebound in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate hike decision on March 22. Buyers are adamant about holding onto the accumulated profits. The 4-hour chart's 100-day EMA, which is at 0.111, is above the price of Shiba Inu. Recall that the immediate resistance is the 100-day EMA. A daily closing above 0.111 on the daily chart may indicate that support is still in place and that the upside path is the one with the least amount of resistance. We're done for today. Remember to give our newest material a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.